Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to send money from Stripe to bank account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, to send money from Stripe to your bank account, you need to set up a payout schedule in your Stripe account. Stripe provides an automated process to transfer funds from your Stripe balance to your bank account on a regular basis. Now, you need to log into your Stripe account. Okay? After you've done that, navigate to Payout Settings. So once you are logged in, navigate to the Payouts or Settings section of your Stripe dashboard. The exact location and terminology may vary depending on the Stripe interface. Set up your bank account. If you haven't already done so, you need to add and verify your bank account details. This typically involves providing your bank account number, routing number, and other relevant information. Follow the instructions in a Stripe dashboard to complete this step. Now configure your payout schedule. In the Payouts or Settings section, find the option to set up your payout schedule. Choose the frequency at which you want to transfer the funds from your Stripe account to your bank account. You may have options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, confirm and save the settings. Review your payout schedule settings to ensure they are accurate. Once you are satisfied, save the settings to enable the automated transfers. Monitor and manage payouts. After setting up the account schedule, Stripe will automatically initiate transfers from your Stripe account to your bank account according to the chosen frequency. Monitor your Stripe dashboard to track the status of payouts and ensure they are successfully processed. Verify the funds in your bank account. After the payout is processed by Stripe, the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the arrival of the funds. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account may vary depending on your bank's processing times. So it is worth noting that Stripe may have specific requirements and processes based on your location and the currency involved. It is recommended to refer Stripe's official documentation or contact their customer support for detailed instruction and assistance in setting up payouts and transferring funds to your bank accounts. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.